If you're looking to restore your boat or are in need of accessories or parts, look no further than Clearwater Boat Service Center in Hamilton. Our shop and showroom carries all of the biggest name brands in the marine industry. And what we don't have, we will get as quickly as possible. It's our mission to provide the boating community with top quality products and services combined with a friendly and professional environment. With more than 25 years of experience, our team understands that quality is critical, and we're dedicated to providing top quality workmanship in a timely manner. Come to our one-stop service and supply center where your boat requirements are met at an affordable cost.